at textcashnetwork.com. Say for example I have a friend, I wanted him to join Text Cash Network. I will text or send him through Facebook this website URL, and same thing, if he clicks that link he will go to this page. Alright, so if there's something wrong or if there's something that he or she don't understand, just go ahead and refer him to our website where he can go ahead and view the video. Alright, so let me go ahead and put a check in this one, and this one is self-generated, or actually computer generated code. So let me go and put there 44538. So that's it. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's self-explanatory, simple, and I mean everybody can do it, right? Even a 3-year-old can do it. So alright, let me go ahead and click here, and there it goes. So it's almost identical, right? So let me go and click on yes, or click and continue. Now if I press and continue, I'll be prompted to the next page, and there you go. And seems okay to me. I'll just need to go ahead and put a check in here and then press continue again. Alright, that's cool. And there you go. Thank you for registering. And presented by, of course, this is my name here, or rather my email address, and this is my referral code. And press and continue. And there you go. Now if you happen to press continue, you'll be prompted to the next page that says validate your email address. And if you happen to be on this page, I'll need to go and click on your inbox and make sure if the message is in there. If it's not in your inbox, just go ahead and click on more. Maybe it's in your spam. I'm going to check if it's in the spam. No, it's not in the spam as well. So that means that we really need to wait in order for us to receive the validation code. Alright, now if you really can't wait in there, I mean but of course we really can continue if we can validate the email, or we can just go ahead and click on the my profile account information. No, then again, you really need to validate your email. If after 10 minutes if you don't receive it, just go ahead and check your email from time to time. It should be in there, okay? But I would require you to use Yahoo, because if you use Yahoo you're gonna go ahead and receive it right away. I don't know why Gmail is doing this. Alright, now let me go ahead and get on the account information. Now say for example you already validate your email address. Alright, so there you go. Now as you can see, there's like an edit address. Now all you need to do is click on this one. Alright, and then add new. Alright, and fill up the information here. And since of course I don't have any billing address, and besides my home address and billing address is just the same, I'll just go and click on home address. So for the sake of this dummy account, let me go and put this one here. There you go. And of course since I'm in the Philippines, I'm gonna go and click on the Philippines again, and let me click on Bacolod. Alright, it's good enough. State and province, that should be Negros Occidental, and 6100, and looks good to me. And let me go ahead and click on save, and that part is already cool. Now let me go and click on the account information again, and as you can see, it's there. Now how about this thing here? It says with an asterisk or star, verification message sent, waiting for response from user. Now remember earlier I promised you that you can go ahead and join TCN without having to reply yes, and without having to pay for 15 bucks, or in order for you to validate your cell phone number. Now you can actually validate your cell phone number for free, and all you need to do is click on edit phone. Alright, and once you click on edit phone, click this link here. It says click here now. Now if you click that one, you have an option to send a code onto your cell phone number, but since we haven't validated our email, it prompts me with an email validation, and seems to me it's still not in there. Well anyways, if you happen to see here phone validation, it will actually tell you to send it, and once you send it, it will actually go to your cell phone number, or you will receive it on your cell phone. Now all you need to do is put that code here. Alright, put it in here, and then click on validate phone. But since in my case again, since I have not validated my email, it shows up validate email. Alright, so once we were able to validate our cell phone number and our email, what's next? All right. So in order for you to receive advertisement or text messages on your cell phone, you need to go to my profile and you need to go on SMS profile. And by the way, before we go there, make sure once you validated your email, once you validated your cell phone number, if you go to your account information, it should look like this. Let me go over here. This is actually the reminders page. Now this is actually quite useful because if you feel if you have if you missed something, the reminders page on our website is actually pretty useful. It comes in handy. Alright, so there you go. Make sure that it's not like this. Right, so which means if it looks like this, it means that your cell phone has not been validated. It should be like this. It says validated, because if it shows like that, there should be no problem now. Right, so once it's done, you can go ahead and click on my profile and click on SMS profile. Now this is actually pretty important here, since in this part we will be setting up your profile information. But since I can't continue, let me go ahead and try to log into my own account, and that is my personal account here. Let me go ahead and try to log in here. We'll just need to wait. There you go. And let me see. Alright, just need to wait. Sorry about that. Alright, now let me go and click on SMS profile. Alright, there you go. And it should be like this. Alright, so you can see my name there, Mark Steven. You can see my cell phone in there. You can see my smartphone, which I'm using Samsung. And it should be like this, right? It should be identical, except for, of course, except for this part, since this is your personal information. But everything here should be completely identical. All right. And this one, you need to go ahead and select this all. And once you're able to select it, go ahead and click on Save My Settings. Now, if you click on Save My Settings, that's it. From now on, you'd be able to receive text messages on your cell phone. And by the way, Text Cash Network fully launched this January of 2012. This is actually a pretty new service on the internet. So let's go ahead and take advantage, because here in the Philippines, more likely we are just like 1,000. Now, just imagine the potential of joining this early on the Text Cash Network. So again, your information should be completely identical like this one, except for this part, the profile background information. And of course, you need to go ahead and make sure everything of this one is checked, except for this one at the bottom. Alright, I go ahead and click on Save My Settings, and if you're able to save it, voila, that's it. You are now a certified member of the Text Cash Network. Now let me go ahead and go over here. See here, my cell phone is completely validated. Of course, this is my address. If you want to go ahead and say hi, let's go ahead and pay me a visit, and there you go. Now again, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and pay us a visit at TCN2.wmv. Our website comes in handy. It's TCN2.wmv. Just go to the reminders page. If you think you might have missed something, if you wanted to go ahead and have a chat with us, you can go and click on the quick response team, and if one of us is online, we can go ahead and have a chat with you guys. But if not, you can go ahead and send us an email. Now, what's next, right? So the next tutorial is all about on how to post your ads. Now, as I've told you earlier, or I don't know if I said this, but Text Cash Network is not like, join now and be a millionaire tomorrow. No, it's not like that, and it will never be like that, because if someone tries to tell you that, and more likely it's just maybe he's kidding or just playing around. And if there's some website who tells you that's more likely it's actually a scam, and please don't believe them, because there's nothing like that if you join them you're gonna be a millionaire tomorrow. That's not it. Now, in order for you to make more money on Text Cash Network, you need to go ahead and post your ads, and posting your advertisement will only take like 2-3 minutes a day. And if you're doing Facebook, you can actually try to do this one as well. Alright, so then again, fly out to my friends there, Jenny Duran Escara, also known as JAE, and to my friends there, Edward, there you go, Edward Olofino, and of course to Ted Morado, who just joined recently, and good luck to you, Ted. And again, this is your coach, and the name is Marcus Steven, and I'm signing off. Bye for now.